Hey, what's up, Internet? So today we wanted to make a quick video about how to make comments both in JavaScript or vanilla JavaScript and also in React. So if you're interested, let's get started. All right, so first let's start with making comments in JavaScript. So there are a few different ways that we can make comments. So first we can type some text like comments, and then you can, on your keyboard shortcut, if you're on a Mac, you can hit Command / might be Control / on a PC, but it will essentially allow you to have this double /. That is one way to add comments. Another way to add comments in JavaScript would be to do / and then the asterisk symbol. And then you can go here and do the asterisk and / symbol. Now, sort of what's the difference between these two different ways? Well, if you want to do single line comments, you can do either double / or ****. But if you wanted to do multi-line comments like this, you would need to do ****. Now, a cool little thing about React is if you have a React app open. So here in Repl.it, we have an example React app where we just have labeled it in comments in React. If you go to app.js, you'll see, if you're familiar at all with React, different React language here. And then if you want to add a comment, you can do that by going ahead, and you have to add curly braces. So curly braces, which is indication of JSX, which is the React programming language or the React framework. And then you would do that ****, and you would add your comments here. And then if you go ahead and you run that, it should just load without a problem. All right, so in summary, we wanted to look at how to add comments in vanilla JavaScript as well as in React. The difference being here in vanilla JavaScript, if you want to do single line comments, you can do double /. If you want to do single line or multi-line comments, it's going to be ****. And then in React.js, you essentially need to add these curly braces here, and then you're going to do ****, add your comment, and then ****. All right, if you have any comments or suggestions, add them in the comments section below. Feel free to subscribe for future videos, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers.